Today we're going to make some matte face masks to use whenever you're going out. And the supplies that you need are a twist tie, some rubber bands, masking tape, paper towels, a ruler, and some scissors. And to start with, I'm going to make a set of 4 of these. So I have 4 sheets of the paper towels already torn off. And I'm going to measure these. I want a 6-inch, and mine are already 6 inches. These are the Selecta size. So if you have the smaller ones, they're already to that length for you. And then I'm going to measure it to 9.5 inches. So then the next step I'm going to do is, I already have some masking tape measured for longer than my twist ties, and these are just kitchen twist ties. You may have some from the grocery store, or most people have them in their house already. These are from a set of plastic bags that I have, and we just never had used them. So I'm going to lay the twist tie into the center of the tape, and I just measure it just a little bit longer than the twist tie. And I'm going to put it just right down the middle of it. And then on the edge of, on a long edge of the paper towel, make sure that you can see this. So then along the long edge of the paper towel, I'm going to place this so that the twist tie is at the very top, somewhere around the center of it. And you want it to overlap enough so that you can fold it over the edge. So we have it taped there. And that's going to actually be on the outside of it, and that'll be across the bridge of your nose so that you can shape it. So then the next step, I'm going to do an accordion fold, folding in about the width of my thumb, and then back out and in again on one side, and I'm going to crease that so I can remember where it folded. Then I'm going to come to the other side and do the same thing. Fold it in about the width of your thumb, out and back in again, and crease that. So then when you put them all together, they should be pretty close to meeting. Then on the end, I'm going to take a rubber band, and this one is, what size is this to give you an idea? This is about, it is about 4 inches, not stretched but just straightened out. You don't want it to be too small or it'll be tied around your ears. Then I'm going to fold, I'm putting this about 3/4 to an inch in. I'm going to fold the paper over it, and then I'm going to staple right across where the 2 folds meet. So it's just right in where the seam is between the 2. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Pull them together, make sure that's flat. Put the rubber band across the top of it there, about 3/4 of an inch in. Fold it over, and then staple it. And this one I got a little bit off, but I think it's still going to be okay. So then when you open it, you have your shape here, and that's what the creases do on the side with the accordion fold. When you put it on, you can shape this around your nose so that you get a tighter fit, especially if you're like I am and you wear glasses. Then whenever you breathe through these, it puts steam behind your glasses if you don't have that. And then this just goes around your ears, the elastic. So simple, should be supplies that you have at home. I'm going to make a couple more so you can just kind of watch through it. So we have the tape. I've measured mine about 4 inches long, but depends on the length of your wire. Just lay it down the middle. This is a 2-ply paper towel. I don't know what you'll have at home, but just use what you have. And I'm doing a single layer of this just because the research that I found showed that there was not a big difference in how much could transmit through it, but this is more to protect you from touching your face whenever you go out. So then we're going to crease it 3 times on that side, and then I'm going to go in, out, and down on this side, and put them back together. Then add the rubber band. And staple. And the other rubber band. And the staple. And it's done. So that was done in real time. I didn't do any time lapse or editing on that for you, just so you could see exactly how fast this is. So if you're just going to go to the store and you need to make sure that you've got your face covered, then put a few of these together. Anyone that's going with you, have them put it on just to keep themselves from touching their face, and then make sure that you're washing your hands. Use the hand sanitizer whenever you can, wipe off your cart, and keep yourself safe. And everyone stay home during the time that they're telling you to stay home, and hopefully we'll be back to life as normal as fast as we can. So leave me a note below. Let me know if you try these, if they may not be the prettiest ones, but they're pretty simple in how they work, and they should do the trick for you, at least in a pinch, to give you an extra one. And then let me know too if you're interested in seeing how to make the fabric ones, because I do have a pattern for making that, and I'm going to start making some to send out. So let me know if that's something that you're interested in, or if you're interested in having any fabric ones made for yourself, and I'll see what we can do with that too. Thanks, and stay safe, everyone, and I'd love to hear what you're doing.